The Goodnight Train by June Zobel and illustrated by Laura Haliska. The Goodnight Train gets set to roll. It's being shined and filled with coal. Wash the cars off with a hose. Scrub the engine's dirty nose. Scrub a dub, toot toot. All aboard. The sun is down. The Goodnight Train is leaving town. Find your sleepers, grab your teddy. Climb right up, your bed is ready. All tucked in, the porter cries. Pillows fluffed, now close your eyes. Wheels are turning, smoke drifts high, painting clouds up in the sky. Woof, a poof, a hoof, a woof, choo. Slumber lumber up the hill, cars climb slowly up until. Roll the corner, rock the curve, blankets bounce with every swerve. Rock a rock a rock a rock, shh. Fly through a tunnel black as ink, in and out before you blink. Professional bedbug removal, call for free estimate. Dreamland 20 wings ahead. Catch that freight train whizzing past. The Goodnight Train is moving fast. Shh. Cars sway on the wooden track. Wheels go click. Wheels go clack. Glide across a plain so flat. Gently toss this way and that. Clicky clack, clicky clack, clicky clack. Curl through farms of fuzzy sheep. The sleepy train shows to a creep. Pushing toward the station's light, cars crawl on with all their might. Chuck, chuck, chuck. Welcome to dreamland, sweet dreams ahead. The porter sighs. The tired train can close its eyes. Home, at last, tucked in and snug. The engine snores a final chug. Hush, a hush, a hush, sleeps. Good night, train. Good night.